on Channel 6 on the Mountain Tribe Raptor Center. Here, you can discover many new birds, including our Puffin, named Puffy. He's very nice and friendly. And we also have our Kestrel here. Then we have our eagle. He's Eagle Macaw. And last here is Wilbur, our most famous. Come out, Wilbur! Come out! He's our most famous. He is a great horned owl. Everybody loves him, and he can stare into your soul and eat it. Everybody loves him for that, even though he's kind of scary. And if he's because he's kind of scary, because well, you see, if he's staring intently at you, that means he's eating your soul. And well, you see, if he's staring intently at you, you should just get on your horse and run away and hope he doesn't stalk you home.
He's staring at the camera. Should I stop? Because,
No.
Wilbur's staring into the camera.
And if he's staring into your soul, you should run home.
Did you hear me? He's staring into the camera.